Today we're working on a Mini. What we're going to show you how to do is how to install in Type 2. Now if you look at your guide, Type 2 involves certain models of Mini Coopers. The ones that get into the top dash is really complicated to get to, especially removing the radio portion of it. The older Minis, the job takes between 20 and 30 minutes to remove, so I still suggest that you get to the cast module on those models. In the Type 2 models, the connections will be made in the kick panel as well as at the key port, unlike any other BMW or Mini vehicle. It does involve some modification to the harness and using an adapter cable. We're going to show you all that as soon as we get to the footwell module. So the first step we want to do is to remove the bottom of the dash, the lower kick panel, the side running board plastic to get to the footwell module. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to remove the rubber around the door, which is going to give us access to remove the kick panel. So to make it a little bit easier, we're going to go ahead and remove the bottom dash, starting with the side piece here and then going to the under the steering column. So using your T20 Torx, you're going to have one holding in the side plastic part and then two holding in underneath the middle of the dash. So just go ahead and remove those three right away. Once you got those removed, you can follow through to remove those panels. They're just clipped in, so just a little bit of pulling and tugging will get them out nice and good. So the first step is this side piece here. This one's going to have to be taken out first. If you need, you can use a little plastic tool to help you pull it out. Just unclip. Now you can remove the bigger one. Just pulling outwards. When you get to the side where the key port is, just be careful not to pull on it too hard, because the cable for the key port is not too long. This is the one we call the ribbon harness cable. So just unplug that one by pulling in the two tabs, one on each side, and slowly moving it from side to side to unplug it. So here's your Mini key port. Next step is your kick panel. You're going to notice going towards the back here that there's going to be a little plastic pin underneath it. So just unclip the back portion of it using your plastic panel popper or metal panel popper. Just remove your plastic insert. Be two pieces. Now you don't have to remove this whole back part here, because then you'll have to go and remove the seat belts and go through the whole back. So you can just lift it up, and when you unclip the front one, you can sort of just pass it over, making it easy to remove the front one. Once that's removed, you got some plastic clips here going towards the front, so just unclip those one at a time and then pull it out from behind the hood release. If you've got the electric trunk release, don't be surprised, it just unclips, just comes right out. So now you can remove this panel. Now we've got access to what we call the footwell module. It's the only big black module you got in the kick panel, so very easy to identify. So using your 10mm, we're going to remove the two nuts holding it in.